The Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe (RBZ) has urged traders, including commuter omnibuses, shops, fresh vegetable markets, and vendors to continue accepting Zimbabwe dollar notes until April 30, 2024. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before I go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. The majority of service providers and shops no longer accept Zim dollar notes, leading to a change crisis. As a result, prices are now being rounded off to $1, making goods and services more expensive. In a statement issued this Wednesday by the central bank, Governor John Mushiabano reiterated that the Zim dollar remains legal tender. The Reserve Bank wishes to advise the public that the education and awareness campaign on the transition from the Zim dollar to the use of ZiG in the market is currently underway and expected to be all-inclusive, reaching out to a wider spectrum of society by the 30th of April 2024 in line with the bank's financial inclusion strategy. In today's news, RBZ urges vendors to accept bond notes. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.